now he's going for it here.
Bailey going again for the miss.
Vandagriff has that move scouted.
Oh, machine gun kicks. Step up Enziguri.
What a flurry from Mike Bailey. And Speedball, oh, he dodges the penalty kick. German suplex holds on and gets the two. Vandagriff held on to that because he wanted that to be the deciding move in this match, but it doesn't get Speedball.
You know, no matter what you think in some match, you're like, okay, I've had enough, let's end this. Let me just get out of here, and that's what Vandagriff was trying to do. He was trying to end the match at that point.
Oh, look at Vandagriff setting up for a Styles clash. Bailey doing everything he can to fight out of that. He knows it's only so much more trauma his body can take in this match before it shuts down. Oh, great counter. Back and forth they go. Penalty kick connects. Ultimo weapon.
Buzzsaw kick to the head. No!
And again, those kicks from Bailey, that background, that black belt in Taekwondo, makes his kicks so much more lethal than your average wrestler, whose kicks could probably knock out most everybody. Crowd really get behind Bailey on Vandagriff's home turf. I just think the fans have such a high level of respect of both wrestlers.
Well, at this point, I think fans see just a good match and they see great wrestling and they get behind both guys.
Definite competitive spirit here tonight. Look at Bailey. Gets caught. Vandagriff gets that ankle again.
Ankle lock in. Is that a heel hook or an ankle lock? Can't tell my position.
Well, he has target at the ankle. Now he's trying to switch it up a little. But Bailey had the ropes for a second. Counters it.
No.
Oh, look at Vandagriff. Got up top, but he got caught by Bailey with the kick.
Bailey up high.
Frankens. Hurricane Rana.
Roll through. Into a Styles clash.
Yes!
Got him!
Is that going to be enough to put away Bailey?
No!
And Vandagriff immediately doesn't get the victory and decides it's time to go high risk.